Starting a business in today's economy is not easy, but some B2B services stay in demand even during slow markets and financial uncertainty. In this video, we are sharing 5 recession-proof B2B service ideas for new entrepreneurs starting this year. Number 1. Inventory Management Consulting Service. Help small businesses track products, reduce dead stock, and avoid inventory shortages using simple software systems and reports. You can work with retail stores, warehouses, or online businesses to improve cash flow and reduce losses caused by poor inventory control. Number 2. Commercial Cleaning Management Business. Start a business that manages cleaning services for offices, warehouses, and commercial buildings by hiring cleaning teams and handling client contracts. Businesses always need clean workplaces, which creates recurring monthly income and long-term clients, even during economic downturns. Number 3. Business Process Optimization Consulting. Help companies identify slow, outdated, or expensive business processes and replace them with faster and smarter systems. Your goal is to improve efficiency, reduce wasted time, and help businesses save money while increasing productivity. Number 4. Remote Team Productivity Management Service. Work with companies that have remote employees and help them improve communication, task management, and team performance. You can set up productivity tools, workflow systems, and reporting dashboards that help businesses manage remote teams more effectively. Number 5. Cybersecurity Protection Service for small businesses. Many small businesses are vulnerable to hacking, scams, and data theft because they lack proper security systems. You can offer services like account protection, employee security training, backup systems, and cybersecurity monitoring to help businesses stay protected. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching.